Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, December 22nd, and like I mentioned all week, today is one of the big days for the economic news releases, so we'll jump right on into it. We'll start off with the weekly jobless claims. The previous week, it was about 368,000. We figured it would probably go up a little bit. And these, of course, are for last week, and it came at 364. So a little bit less. This is good news, but we'll probably have a better gauge where the job market is probably come January, February timeframe when, because a lot of these could be people just been on unemployment for a long time and just kind of gave up looking. Also, could be people who got seasonal jobs for the holiday seasons with retailers hiring extra people to handle the retail rush. So we'll wait till January will probably give us a better gauge as to where things are kind of moving along. But this is positive, so it's under 400,000. We've been that way for about a month now, so that's all good news. The next item to note is the third quarter. This is the final revision for third quarter GDP. We had 2% last revision, and we figured it would remain the same, and it dropped down to 1.8%. So this started off, the first estimate came in at 2.5%, dropped down to 2%. Now it's settled at 1.8, so not good. Year over, we grew about 1.2%. For recovery, we need to be 3% plus to try for recovery mode, and obviously we're kind of a long ways from that. And so and right now they're not feeling too optimistic with the debt crisis going on in Europe as to a strong one, but they do anticipate a stronger fourth quarter for people, consumer spending, maybe 3, maybe even 4% they're projecting. So we probably won't know that final tally until March. But stay tuned. We'll find out. Let's keep our fingers crossed. We got consumer sentiment for December, and for November was at 67, so these are still pretty low, but they did feel anticipation a little higher, and for December, people are feeling a lot better. So that's positive. Like I said before, where perception lies, reality kind of tends to follow behind. It becomes reality. So if people are feeling good, hopefully the economy grows from that. People are out feeling good. They can spend some money. They can, hopefully they're working. Things start moving a little bit more of a normal pace for us. Other items, leading indicators. This is for November's numbers. So October we had a 0.9% growth, and we figured it might come down a little bit, which it did about halfway. So we still showed some growth in November. So those are pretty positive numbers there. And then the FHFA home price index for October. We had back in September, we had nice growth. So you had probably that last group of people before school starts getting into their homes. And basically, we had a drop in October at negative 0.2%. So that means home prices kind of dipped a little bit in October. And this fits around for like, was it 10 or 20 different communities around the U.S. that they use this index here. Headline news, basically stock market. The only news really on there is stock market. And the stock market's up a little bit. It's not playing a little bit. It's not a lot. You're talking like 30 points for the Dow. And, and basically it's just some, sounds like maybe some merger acquisitions just kind of playing the market right now. So spec talk on Europe is kind of quiet today. So let's see how the bond market's reacting today with interest rates. Right now we had a nice little increase. We started the day above the 10-day moving average. So that's a good sign, as we did touch the 10-day moving average and move down. We have this star effect. So we're kind of showing a reversal in the trend here, which, we didn't have an opening gap, which because we had the wick here touching, and now we open up on that, and now we're making our way upwards. So hopefully we keep that trend here. Rates are better than they were yesterday. We're probably equal to about Tuesday, between Monday and Tuesday's numbers here. So probably like early Monday or so. So so interest rates are a little bit better today. And again, happy holidays, people. And again, I'm offering thank you for your support. Feel free to click on the link in the description, and that will take you to a free gift I'd love to be able to extend to you folks. You guys have a wonderful day, and catch you guys tomorrow. And if you guys are on my site, go ahead and subscribe to get your free updates. Take care.